Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video brings you a complete overview of SIYI's product ecosystem. SIYI is a national high-tech enterprise focusing on the research and innovation of core components for intelligent robotics. Relying on advanced technologies such as wireless HD video transmission, gimbal control, motor drive, imaging, control systems, and AI algorithms, SIYI provides innovative products and professional solutions for UAVs, unmanned vehicles, unmanned vessels, and other intelligent robotics worldwide. Its products are widely adopted in the global market, and SIYI has become a well-known brand in gimbal cameras, transmission systems, and related fields. Currently, SIYI's best-selling products mainly fall into two categories: gimbal payloads and transmission systems. In addition, SIYI also offers flight controllers, GPS, RTK, power modules, airspeed sensors, propulsion systems, and other drone-related accessories. Gimbals. At present, SIYI has released 6 gimbal cameras: A2 Mini, A8 Mini, ZR10, ZR30, ZT30, and ZT6. Each gimbal is designed for different application scenarios with unique features. A2 Mini, the most compact SIYI gimbal camera, and the only one rated IP65 waterproof. Equipped with a protective waterproof housing, it effectively resists liquid erosion in crop protection environments. A8 Mini. Although not waterproof like the A2 Mini, it features upgraded camera specs. It supports 4K video recording and up to 6x zoom, suitable for small industrial drones, unmanned boats, fixed-wing model aircraft, and FPV racing drones. ZR10 upgraded from the A8 Mini, featuring 10x optical zoom and 30x hybrid zoom with 4MP resolution. Its FOC-controlled 3-axis stabilization ensures crystal-clear imaging during flight, designed for small to medium multi-rotor drones, VTOL drones, and robotic platforms. ZR30 further upgraded with up to 30x optical zoom, 180x hybrid zoom, and 8MP 2.7-inch Sony CMOS sensor. Slightly larger and heavier, it's ideal for mid to large-scale UAVs and professional robotic applications. ZT30, a quad-sensor hybrid gimbal integrating zoom camera, thermal imager, laser rangefinder, and wide-angle camera. Features include a 640x512 high-resolution thermal sensor, 1200 precision laser ranging 180x hybrid zoom, 30x optical zoom, 2K ultra-wide camera, unlimited U-rotation, upgraded quick-release damping, rich interface compatibility, and advanced stabilization algorithms for smooth imaging. ZT6, a lightweight dual-sensor EO gimbal with a visible camera and thermal imager. Equipped with a 640,512 thermal sensor, one 2.8-inch Sony CMOS supporting 4K video, and 540 degrees U-rotation. Compact yet powerful, suitable for multi-rotors, VTOLs, fixed-wing drones, and robotics. Transmission products. SIYI's transmission systems are divided into 3 types: handheld ground stations, video data links, and RC model controllers. Handheld ground stations. MK15 series integrates remote control, data, and video transmission into one system with 15 km wireless digital transmission and dual HD video display. Features adaptive frequency switching, a 5.5-inch 1080p high brightness touchscreen, and supports dual control and relay modes. The agriculture version is optimized for low-altitude crop spraying operations and compatible with dedicated FPV cameras. MK32 series, an industrial-grade ground station with a 7-inch HD display, 30 km digital HD transmission, 16 channels, 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. Supports dual control and relay options with extensive connectivity for drones, unmanned vehicles, and robotics. RC7 series, a professional-grade ground station supporting 2.4G 5G dual-band, 40 km control range, 4K decoding, 65 megabits per second transmission, ACE encryption, and a 7-inch 1600 nit HD screen. It features a unique joystick design, 6 flight mode buttons and quick-release support. Available in standard and professional editions. Professional, dual-band 4 antennas, 1920x1200 resolution, HDMI, USB-A and Ethernet ports. Standard, single-band 2 antennas, 1280800 resolution, no HDMI or additional ports. Video data link. DK32S, a digital transmission controller with upgraded 2.4G spread spectrum SHT technology for improved anti-interference. Provides up to 10 km control range. Model controller. FT24, a long-range, high-speed, stable model RC designed for enthusiasts. Supports 15 km max range, dual telemetry, adaptive bandwidth, interference avoidance and high-performance RF hardware for reliable operation in complex environments. Flight controllers and accessories. F9P RTK base station module. Mushroom antenna. This base station set is designed to work with the SIYI RTK positioning module, enabling both centimeter-level RTK positioning and dual module direction finding simultaneously. Hall effect wide voltage power module. Supports 7100V input-output with non-contact high-precision current sensing, ensuring stable power supply and reliable data feedback. N7 Flight Controller, SIYI's first self-developed flight controller with an H7 dual FPU processor, dual IMU redundancy, internal damping design, compatible with Ardupilot and PX4 ecosystems. Provides reliable and expandable solutions for drones, unmanned vehicles and robotics. SIYI RTK module, a dual-antenna high-precision GSIS module with full-band positioning, ultra-low power consumption, and strong anti-interference performance, delivering centimeter-level accuracy even in complex environments. MS4525 airspeed sensor, a digital airspeed module for fixed-wing and VTOL drones, preventing stalls in windy conditions and ensuring safe operations. SIYI AI module, upgraded to 10 TOPS computing power, supporting real-time AI recognition, tracking and autonomous following. New features include license plate recognition, insulator detection near power towers, and human vehicle thermal recognition. HDMI input recording module, converts HDMI input into RTSP video streams via Ethernet and supports 1080p 30 FPS recording for diverse applications. That concludes today's video. Thank you for watching. For more updates, be sure to follow the World Drone Market channel and leave us a message. See you in the next video.